Hey guys, so I haven't done a YouTube video in a couple months, and honestly, I just haven't. I just been putting it off. I didn't really. I stopped trying with YouTube, but I'm gonna try to get back to doing more videos. So today we did a restoration on the Black Motorsport Force. I got these for $10 off of a friend. They were really beat when I got them. So in this restoration, all we did was we took the shoelaces out, we completely deep cleaned the shoe. Then what we did was repaint the black and the white on both shoes, and we also repainted some of the leather. So most of the toe and the sides. I didn't repaint up here by the tongue and the wing. In the back tab, because there was nothing wrong with it. It was fine like that. I didn't want to repaint the entire shoe. I wanted to keep some of the original paint. So they actually came out really good. And I will show you we'll now get into the video of how we did it. So the first step in any restoration is put in the shoe trees. The shoe trees are already in, and then we take out the laces. So that's going to be the first part. So now we take our brush and take our solution and we just wipe the entire shoe down. A lot of times people forget to clean behind the wings on the side of the shoe and behind the lace locks. Behind the lace locks, a lot of dirt gets covered under there, and it just doesn't, and a lot of people just forget about it. Also, behind the back tab, you'll see right there. A lot of people forget to clean that, just like the lace locks. So always remember that. If you don't have a brass bristle brush, a brass bristle brush works with the outsoles on the bottom of the shoes. It takes a lot of the stains out because it's really hard, so it gets deep into the stains. If you don't have that, just get a harder brush and just keep scrubbing until it looks clean. It's gonna take a while without the brass brush, but it'll work. Okay, so while you watch them being cleaned, I'll tell you a story on how I got these. I'm in a class in my high school. I'm a junior here in Indiana. There's an automotive class. You can work either on the body shop or on the engines. I chose body work for this year. So you have to bring an old pair of shoes because there's a lot of dust and paint that you'll be using, so your shoes will get ruined throughout the year. So because these will really be my friend of mine, he just I just traded him a pair of shoes that I had gotten for $10. It was a pair of Beat 2s. We just traded because I knew this was gonna be better than the Beat 2s. So they were gonna eventually sell for more if I can just fix them up. Because and that's how I got them. I actually got them this morning, and they're already fixed. Not a lot, but so it's not cracked. That's the good part about it. So I didn't use any acetone because I didn't want to ruin the paint that's already on it. I didn't want to accidentally ruin the shoe. So I didn't use any acetone. I don't recommend freehand painting, and that means works if without using any tape. Just freehanding this won't work. I don't recommend that unless you have a steady hand and if you're patient with it. If you're not you don't patient, have to ruin the original paint job and possibly ruin the midsole. You'll just ruin a shoe. This is a lot easier. This isn't that hard because I can go over the midsole because it's still black, so it'll work out. But with other shoes, I don't recommend doing this. So yeah, guys, to wrap it up, these turned out really good. As you can see, paint is pretty much flawless. There was some cracking on the white, but it was very minor, and it was mostly just stains. So I didn't put acetone on that either. There was only like one little crack right here, but that was it. That wasn't that big of a deal. Overall, it came out really nice. The paint's smooth. Feels good. That's how you know you did a good paint job, when you feel it and it just feels smooth. There's no bumps, there's nothing on it. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna try to upload every couple days. Give me ideas on what you want videos about, and thank you for watching. Yeah.